Hey folks, Watson here from Watson's Reviews. If you're looking to make your drone flights sleeker, bolder, and even more fun, then stick around because this might just be the coolest thing to hit the market this year. So let's go ahead and check it out right about now. This is the VCOPTER Falcon Mini, and it's not just another compact drone. It's the world's first V-shaped bicopter drone under 250 grams. So you're using only 2 rotors instead of the traditional 4. And the unique design sets it apart immediately from everything else on the shelf. And according to VCOPTER, it's not just for looks either. The Bi-Copter design works together with proprietary tilt rotor technology and advanced flight algorithms to deliver you smooth, stable, and responsive flight. Very nice. In a nutshell, it's great for beginners because it weighs less than 250 grams. You don't need FAA registration, as it's considered recreational flying in most situations, and it's a really simple way to get started in the drone hobby. Throw in a 4K camera, smart shooting modes, 2.7K vertical video for social media, and a starting price of just $289? Yeah, and it's easy to see why this drone is getting a lot of attention. So first, let's see what comes with it. We'll take a little tour of the device, then get it set up, and take it for some flights, show you some footage, then bring it on home to tell you who this is perfect for. But I think you might have an idea. Let's go. So right out of the box, you got the instructions and quick start guide. Then you've got the USB cables to hook your phone to the remote control. Comes with Lightning and USB-C. Then you've got the USB-C charging cable. You can use that for the drone and the remote. Then the flight inversion kit. That's for advanced users, so we won't really get into that in this video, but it's pretty cool. You can fly it upside down. A set of extra propellers, in case you make a mistake. Then you've got the remote control. The joysticks are tucked away in the back, in their own little storage compartment for safekeeping. Got the flip-up antennas, and the flip-up phone adapter that can do horizontal and vertical orientation, which is going to be super convenient for you content creators out there. Then you've got the unit itself. There's a protective cover for the gimbal that you can take off before flights. And as I mentioned, this unit weighs less than 250 grams. Very lightweight. On the side here, you've got the USB-C charging port and a micro SD card slot, power button and battery indicator on the top there. You've got the flip-up rotors and some sensors on the bottom. That's about it. Let's get it charged up and take it for a flight. Oh boy. So you can actually fly this without the app using just the remote control. And it's fun to do that if you're keeping it within line of sight. But the app opens up a whole world of flexibility and control. So I'd recommend installing that and hooking it up that way, since the remote control is built to hold your smartphone. And as we take a closer look, the V-shaped frame is not like anything you've seen before from traditional quadcopters. The dual tilt rotors sit on each side of the body, creating a design that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, like the Klingon bird of prey or something. And the aerodynamic shape isn't just for style, as I mentioned. The VCOPTER conducted all kinds of tests to optimize efficiency, reduce drag, and improve their overall flight performance. At the front, you'll find the 4K camera. It's mounted on a 3-axis gimbal. This setup is going to keep the footage smooth and stable, even during aggressive flight maneuvers. It's very cool to see in action. Check out the stability. Bluey's going for a ride. Getting started? Simple. Charge the battery, connect the controller, fire up the app, you're ready to go. The Falcon Mini has multiple flight modes, including normal, sport, and turbo, and lets you pick between easy flying and more aggressive performance. And as you lift off, the first thing you're probably going to notice is how quiet it is. It comes in around 62 decibels, making it noticeably quieter than many traditional drones in this class. And this is just a personal observation, but it seems like the noise from 2 rotors is less abrasive than the sound of 4 going at the same time, even at the same volume. But that's just me. So once in the air, the Bi-Copter design really starts to shine. Thanks to independently controlled tilt rotors, acceleration's quick and responsive. The drone can rapidly tilt its rotors forward to generate additional thrust, resulting in agile handling and surprisingly sharp turns. It can adjust the rotor angles within 0.01 degree precision, helping to maintain that smooth and controlled flight. And the camera performance is super vital to this device. Footage is nice and crisp, it's stable, and easy to capture, thanks to smart shooting modes like orbit and zoom out. So whether you're recording a family outing, outdoor adventure, chasing the kids around, or doing scenic landscapes, Falcon Mini makes aerial content creation very straightforward. So overall, VCOPTER Falcon Mini gives you something genuinely different in a market full of similar looking drones, and similar sounding too. But its unique V-shaped bicopter design, lightweight sub 250 gram body, quiet operation, 4K camera, and beginner-friendly controls make it an appealing option for new pilots and drone enthusiasts alike. And although it is beginner-friendly, I should mention that this is a great practice device if you do plan on getting a more advanced drone, because when you use it in manual mode with the joysticks, it controls just like any other professional drone. Up, down, side to side, rotate, etc. But it sure is nice having those smart flight modes if you want them or need them. So how about a couple more tech specs and notable features? With that innovative Bi-Copter design and tilt rotator technology, you can get a takeoff speed up to 27 miles an hour. And using turbo mode, you can go up to 36 miles per hour. And those optimized aerodynamics will keep the noise level down too. As far as battery life, its maximum flight time is about 34 minutes, which is longer than the competition. And you can get a real-time transmission range of up to 1.5 miles using that GPS and an intelligent return-to-home system, which is going to give you peace of mind if you lose sight or get low on battery. And as we mentioned earlier, since it's under 250 grams, you won't have to register it in most regions, so you're ready to fly straight out of the box. It was really fun just being able to set this up and go in under a minute. I think my kids will be ready to fly it in no time, although they had a blast just chasing it around the yard. So all in all, if you're thinking about getting into the drone game, want a premium, well-designed drone, or if you're new to drones, and if you don't feel like jumping through all the FAA registration hoops, etc., and also if you want something that's budget conscious but still high performance, this is a good option. The camera is simple enough but flexible, so if you don't want to get bogged down in too many options, the app makes it easy on you. And if you're just short on time and want something quick and easy to fly, this is highly portable, and as I mentioned, sets up quickly, and you can fly it in most places without any trouble. And if you've never flown a drone before, man, it is a blast. That 34 minutes of flight time is a lot, but it goes by quick. So you may want to pick up a backup battery or two. Just saying. So if you're looking for an affordable drone that stands out from the crowd and delivers a fun flying experience without all that complexity, Falcon Mini, definitely worth a closer look. So there you go. Well, there you go, folks. Really liking that stability, that VCOPTER design, and all those cool flight modes. So if you want to get one of these for yourself, and I think you might, go ahead and check out the links below. And we'll see you next time on Watson's Reviews. Watson out.